Today we're with Andrew from Learn to Tow, and in this short video we're going to take a look at the Bendix Ultimate Tow electric brake controller, why you need one and how to use it when you're towing a caravan. Before hitching, make sure that any towing equipment fitted to the vehicle is appropriately rated to the vehicle's tow rating. For example, if the vehicle is rated to 3,500 kilos, the tow bar, receiver hitch, tow ball and safety chain shackles all need to be rated to over 3,500 kilos. Now Andrew, why do we need an electric brake controller when we're hauling a caravan like this one?
Well, first we have to understand the certain legalities when it comes to gross trailer mass, and that's the weight of the trailer with everything in it. Trailers with a gross trailer mass of 750 or lower don't need trailer brakes. Anything between 750 and 2,000 kg need to be fitted with a mechanical or an electrical braking system. Anything over 2,000 kgs needs to be fitted with an electric or electric over hydraulic brakes and an electric breakaway controller. This caravan is over 2,000 kgs, and if you've got one like ours, it's fitted with an electric brakes. And if that's the case, you need your vehicle to be fitted with an electric brake controller. The electric brake controller's job is to activate and control the braking force applied by the electric brakes in your caravan whenever you are applying the brakes in your vehicle.
So Andrew, in what kind of situations would you need this kind of adjustment level in your brakes?
Yeah, the two biggest benefits of the trailer braking system is you've got the hill descent. So you're coming down a big steep hill, mountain range. As I brake, the trailer will brake the same as the car. Yep. And it just makes everything work in motion. The other big thing is you've got your trailer override button. You can use that in times when your trailer starts to sway.
Now we've got the Bendix Ultimate Tow fitted to this vehicle. How do you go about operating a electronic brake controller like that one?
Well, it's really simple. This Bendix Ultimate Tow Brake Controller, you've got to the left, anti-clockwise, is the lowest setting, and to your right is the maximum setting. And you can twist it right, higher, left, lower. So at the moment I've picked a setting which is around about the middle of the dial. And when I'm braking, I can just feel the trailer brakes come on slightly. I'm going down a bit of a range here, and I just turned up a little bit higher. I can feel it come on that little bit more. So it's probably a little bit too much, so I'll just go back. It's like a little, you can feel a little bit of a click when I turn it. So I can go one or two little clicks to the left, and that just made it a little bit lower.
So Andrew, how does the override function work and where does it come in handy?
So the override function works by when I press the button in, it'll just apply the trailer brakes without the vehicle brakes going on. So it'll come in handy when the trailer does start to sway. So I can keep a little bit of pressure on my accelerator while this is happening. That'll pull the trailer, it'll pull the car away from the trailer, but I can also press the button in on the trailer brakes, and that pulls the trailer brakes on, and it stretches out the car and the trailer, which will reduce the swaying effect.
The Bendix Ultimate Tow electric brake controller is simple to use and an absolute must-have when towing your electric brake-fitted caravan. For more info on the Bendix Ultimate Tow electric brake controller, head to www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.